How to set up Plug and Charge multi-contract. To begin, open your eMobility Service Provider app. Navigate to the Plug and Charge section. Enter your preferred label and your vehicle's PCID provided by the vehicle manufacturer in their app. After entering the details, tap Enable Plug and Charge to proceed. A confirmation message will indicate that Plug and Charge has been enabled for your vehicle. Next, access your vehicle's infotainment system. Select the charging menu. Navigate to Plug and Charge. The system will display the contract you've set up with your provider. Select the displayed contract to proceed. You can rename the contract for easier identification if desired. Activate the contract. Now, you're ready to charge. At a Plug and Charge enabled station, simply plug the charger into your vehicle. The system will automatically authenticate and start the charging session. You can monitor the charging progress on your vehicle's display or in the vehicle app. And you're done. Happy charging.